My claw strength is at maximum.
Hello. Have you ever wanted to try the new AI agent OpenClaw, but you've thought it was too complex to set up? Well, you can set up all the power of OpenClaw in just one click, and I can show you how here today in this video. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to this channel, comment on this video, and this is Jay Techie. Without further ado, let's get started. Hello. I have found the easiest and most affordable way to deploy a fully featured OpenClaw installation. So the way you do that is with MaxClaw from Minimax. MaxClaw lets you fully deploy and run OpenClaw with comprehensive pre-trained experts for only $19 with no additional API fees required. On top of that, users receive 200 free credits daily just by logging in with the cross-platform Minimax agent membership. It's simply the easiest and most cost-effective way to deploy OpenClaw these days. So what I have before you all today is MaxClaw, and I'm going to be trying it for the first time with this video. So let's get started. And as you can see, I have the screen. I'm already logged in to the platform, and I'm going to go ahead and hit the Start Now button. And I'm going to include the link to how to get to this in the description. And I'm going to go ahead and hit Start Now. So on this screen, you can choose from different categories to set up the instance with. I'm going to go ahead and choose the default one, and then I'm going to go to the next part, and I'm going to actually hit the I'm ready. And it looks like it's setting up the installation here, and it will probably just take a few moments. So I know with OpenClaw, to set up things, you can pretty much just chat with it a lot of the time. And so let's go ahead and try to set up Telegram through this interface. So it says ask to connect to Telegram. So I'll just say, can we connect to Telegram? Alright, so I've asked it, can we connect to Telegram? And if you don't know what Telegram is, it is a messaging application that is free that you can download from the App Store or Google Play Store. It's I think it's really good. And so right now it's giving me the instructions to connect to Telegram, and I'm going to go ahead and also ask it, because usually with OpenClaw they have you name the actual agent. I'm gonna ask it, I'm just curious, what is, so I'm gonna say, what is your name, by the way? And then if it doesn't have a name, then I'll go ahead and name it. What is your name, by the way? Okay, and it is thinking about that. And it says, I'm MaxClaw, your personal AI assistant. Looks like we haven't fully set up identity yet. Want to do that? We can give me a name you actually like. Pick a vibe and make it feel more like your assistant rather than a generic setup. Or we can keep focusing on getting Telegram connected first. Okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and name it, and I'm going to come back once I've thought up a name for this instance. Alright, so it's done installing the instance, and let's see what it says here. It says, meet MaxClaw, chat here, no setup needed, just type your first message below or take MaxClaw to your favorite apps. Ask to connect Telegram or set up Slack to sync your experience across platforms. Once started, the possibilities are endless, from scheduling cron jobs to building complex automations powered by Minimax. We've made advanced intelligence truly cost effective. Give it a try below. Wow, this sounds interesting. So, the first things we can do is I'm going to go ahead and have it connect to my Telegram. And I think that will be powerful because I can talk to it on the go. So let's go ahead and see about that. Alright, so I have thought of a name for this new agent, and I'm going to call it Tricord. And so I have typed it in here, and I said your name will be Tricord. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that in, and let's see what it says. He says, love it. Let me make that official. So, okay. So it looks like it's saving it to its memory.md file and everything, and Tricord it is. I like it. Has a clean, precise feel to it. Now ready to keep going with Telegram? Just drop that bot token whenever you got it from BotFather, and I'll get you connected. OpenClaw is reloading. Please wait for a while. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and set up the Telegram, and as you can see here on the screen, here is the step-by-step instructions on how you would do it. You would open Telegram, and then there's this thing called the BotFather, and you can create a new bot through that BotFather interface on Telegram, and then it will give you a token, and then I tell my Tricord bot the token, and then it should be able to connect. And so I'm gonna go ahead and get that set up real quick, and once I have Telegram set up, I will let you guys know. Alright, so I have been able to set it up in Telegram, and I can actively chat with Tricord. And so, for instance, I'm going to say, what is the current weather in NYC? NYC, New York City. Let's see what it says. And so it's typing, and it replied with, it's 37 degrees, feels like 28, and cold, overcast. Alright, interesting. And I'm curious if it can send me any pictures. Can you give me a picture? Or let's see, what should I ask him? Come up with a picture of what you look like and post it here. So I'll say, generate a pic of what you look like and post it here. So let's see if it can actually do that task, because I'm curious if it will be able to do it out of the box. Sometimes you have to do a little bit of training before it can know what you're talking about, but let's see what it comes back with. All right, great. It actually came back with an image of itself, and here it is, tricord. And that's pretty cool. It said, "That's me, tricord, sharp mind, loyal, familiar, definitely not a corporate drone." So with this setup, MaxClaw has something called experts, and I'm going to go ahead and explore the experts. So I went back to the Minimax here, and I'm going to click on the Explore Experts tab, and I'm going to look through these experts and see if I see anything we can try. Okay, I've spotted one that looks interesting. It's called Video Story Generator, and I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and I'm going to go ahead and start chat. Alright, and it says automatically generate complete video stories from images or text descriptions, supports flexible input, selectable duration, and style. Alright, let's come up with a story for it to generate. So I had Tricord make a story, and I pasted the story in the prompt box here and uploaded the picture that Tricord created of himself. And the story is about Tricord being born. And let's go ahead and submit this story and see what kind of video generation it comes up with. Alright, after some time it has generated the video. Let's watch the video together and see how good it is. Alright, I have the video up here. Let's see if I can play it.
The void awakens, silent darkness, convergence rising, chaotic pulses, electric storms. First light emerges, awaken mind, determined forward.
Wow, that was an interesting video, and the AI generated singing was interesting as well. It looked like they made Tricord female, but that's fine. But alright, and that's what I wanted to show you guys today about the MaxClaw. The MaxClaw is available 24/7 to be your personal agent, your personal assistant, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you can build with it. Go ahead and comment below what you built with MaxClaw. It's easy and affordable, and try it out. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. This is Jay Techie. Please subscribe to the channel, and until next time, peace.